So you're wondering whether you need to prep a canvas prior to acrylic painting, and the short answer is no. If you've purchased a canvas that looks like this from the store, it's already gallery wrapped, stretched around stretcher bars, and it has a white coating on the surface. This is called gesso, and gesso means that it's pre-primed. Oftentimes the package will say that it is. Sometimes that it will say that there are several coats of gesso applied to the canvas, and if it has all of that labeling, or if it looks like it has a white layer in between the canvas and what you are about to paint on it, then you do not need to do anything. You're ready to go and you can paint. So then this begs the question, why are there so many videos on YouTube that show you how to prep your canvas, the ones that you buy from the store? Well, some artists don't like the way the surface texture of the canvas is. Sometimes they want it to be completely flat, and so they add a couple more layers of gesso, they allow that to dry, and then they actually lightly sand off the surface. And this makes it as smooth as paper rather than having the canvas texture show through. Personally, I like the canvas texture to show through. It adds lots of texture and dimension to my paintings, and I'm just used to painting on canvas with the texture showing through. But if you're one of those people and you don't like the surface texture, just add a couple layers of gesso and it's going to solve your problem. Also, one other thing I'd like to note is acrylic staining. It's a type of painting where you water down your acrylic paint and you apply it to canvas that is unprimed or ungesso. So this is raw canvas, just like the canvas that you would buy to sew on, like if you were sewing a canvas bag. And so what you can do is you can apply the acrylic paint straight to the canvas, and then it spreads out on the canvas and soaks in abstract and unusual ways. But the thing is, if you are going to do acrylic staining, it's not necessarily archival. So this means that it could fade or age in unexpected ways over time. And that's why most artists like to have their canvases primed with gesso prior to painting. But if you're purchasing your canvas from the store or online and it's already stretched, gallery wrapped, it's pre-primed, it's ready to go. No need to do anything else. All right, hopefully you found this video helpful. I've made an entire video. You can watch it here about all the different types of canvas. If you have more questions about panels, stretched canvas, making your own stretched canvas, it's all in there. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.